Voicemod Girl Voice. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser, then go to voicemod.net. Download the application by clicking the Download for Free button. It will ask you to enter your email address. Click Continue with Gmail. A verification email will be sent. Go to your Gmail account and copy the code number. Paste the unique number and click the Validate button. The program will automatically download the exe file. So locate the file and open the application. Select all the requirements for the application setup, click Next, and at the end, click Install. After installation is complete, open the Voicemod application and click Get Started. The application will ask you to select a microphone and headphones. So choose your devices, click Next, and then click Start using Voicemod. Once inside the application, select the custom pitch option and increase the pitch by dragging the pitch volume slider to your desired level. After that, you can turn on the voice mod by clicking the on or off button. You can also hear the voice mod by clicking the hearing button located on the lower section of the application.